Welcome back to Lead Inspire. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic, making better decisions. Let's get started. Decisions, decisions, decisions. We make them every day, but how often do we make the right ones? Let's change that. Feeling overwhelmed by choices? Making decisions can be tough. From big career moves to small daily choices, the pressure is on. But don't worry, there's a better way. Introducing the Decision Matrix. It's a simple tool to help you weigh your options. First, list your options. Second, identify the criteria that matter most. Third, score each option based on those criteria. Finally, choose the option with the highest overall score. Let's say you're deciding between two job offers. You create a matrix with criteria like salary, location, company culture, and growth opportunities. You assign points to each option based on your priorities. The job with the highest overall score is likely the best fit for you. Consider Flipkart. When they started, they had to decide between focusing on books, expanding to other product categories, or going global. They used a decision matrix, weighing factors like market size, competition, investment required, and potential returns. By carefully analyzing these factors, they made the strategic decision to expand into various product categories, a move that catapulted them to the top of India's e-commerce industry. Remember, better decisions lead to better outcomes. Start using the Decision Matrix today. Subscribe for more tips and tricks. Your future self will thank you.